Hello. It is the first day of classes. I have one class today at 12:30. It's currently like 11 something. I don't know because my freaking alarm clock broke. It literally was on the entirety of break, I guess. And as soon as I moved in, I was putting my stuff away in my room yesterday. The screen turned off and it freaking just started buzzing. And I was like, what the hell? And I was just like, that's so annoying because now I don't know what freaking time it is ever. But yeah, I have Orgo 2 today, and I don't really feel like going, but it's the first class. I have one class, so I don't have to do anything else for the rest of the day, probably. Just, like, maybe some homework for that class. I don't know. But, yeah, I've just been chilling, watching David Dobrik all morning, because what else would I be doing? That's all I've been doing for days. But, yeah, talk to you later. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of makeup before I go to class, and I forgot to put my beauty blender, so now I have to get up. I'm back with the wet beauty blender. Okay, not that that even matters right now, because I'm gonna do these first. I have my Tartelette Toasted palette that I got for Christmas. I'm gonna use her just to do a nice little natural eye look. I don't know if I wanna put anything on my lids first. Probably should. This camera angle is improving my posture. Now I have to sit up if you want to see anything. Okay, now that I did that, my dry brush cleaner that I got at Marshall's for like $2. I'm gonna take the shade Cashmere and Warmth. I'm gonna mix them and put them in my crease. Also, I'm sorry, but like not really if you hear David Dobrik in the background. I don't like sitting in silence, so that's what we're working with because no one else is home right now. I'm just gonna do a nice natural look, you know? Nothing too crazy, so I have to like do one class today. I've been sick like since last Thursday. I'm like better now, but like I was like ill. So that's why I sound kind of gross. And I keep having to clear my throat. This palette smells really good. I don't know why. Like it's not like the chocolate bar palette from like Too Faced or anything. It just smells really good. And I don't know if it's supposed to or if it's just like an accidental effect from the chemicals that they probably use in here. But it smells bomb. Crease secured. I'm gonna take this little brush for my crease. I'm gonna take Cozy and just put that like on the outer crease. Just so you know. Spice it up a little. I think I picked the wrong color the first time and didn't realize, so now I have to even it out. Fun times. My voice is friggin' disintegrating. Oh my god. Okay, well, maybe I should just speak up like a person. Now I'm gonna take, I'm gonna take Sunset. I don't feel like picking up the palette and showing you, so you'll just have to deal with me saying the names. I'm just gonna put that on the lid. Ooh, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I've only used this palette like once or twice before. Because I didn't really wear makeup that much when I was home because I didn't really do anything. And then I was sick. So, pretty. I like these. This color looks a lot darker in the pan than it does on your eye. It's like really, really bright gold, but in the pan it looks more like a bronze. Like obviously still shimmery, but looks like more bronze. This is so pretty. Wow. So, now that that's done, I'm just gonna take my Dr. Jart BB cream, one pump, And then if I need more, I'll go back with more. I'm just gonna put it all over my face. I wasn't gonna put on makeup, but I don't know, I have time and I wanted to make this vlog more interesting, I guess. So I'm putting on makeup for the vlog, I guess, for fun. I'm just gonna conceal under these eyes. And I think just like the regular places. Now I sound like an old man. Just gonna blend. I'm gonna take my Coty Airspun powder. Just some light baking under the eyes. Even though I'll probably like get home from class and like after like an hour take this makeup off. So it doesn't really need to last that long, but you know, for the heck of it, I'll just do this. I'm gonna set the rest of my face just with a light layer of powder. And then we'll see if my setting spray works, because I'm dumb. I packed my car with a lot of stuff the night before, but it's like, it was like 15 degrees, so everything froze because I'm a dumbass. So we'll see if it works or not. Probably. I'm gonna go with like not, maybe, but like it was out all day yesterday, so hopefully it defrosted. I'm not going to put like any bronzer or blush on or anything. Blush on or anything. I took out my eyelash color, but not my mascara. Good one. I'm gonna put some, where is he? Some brow gel, because I like to keep these babies in place, even though this probably doesn't even do anything. I'm probably gonna regret this makeup the second I walk out of my house, because it's like 2 degrees and then my eyes are gonna water and then they're gonna be irritated all day, so go me. I'm gonna curl these babies. I don't even think I'm gonna set my face because like, I just don't feel like doing it. So I just like don't feel like having that feeling on my face today, so we just about to do it without it. Using the CoverGirl Clump Crusher extensions by Lash Blast. It's the green tube from CoverGirl. It's the best mascara. I've been using it since middle school. Not this specific tube, obviously. They've like changed the design a little bit too. Like not like design of the tube, but like the logo and like the packaging. Nice. That's all for me getting ready. Here's the finished look. No, I was probably on like some chapstick or something, but yeah. I will update you with my outfit. Well, this is my really exciting outfit. I'm wearing a black t-shirt and black leggings, but I have these cute socks, so it's okay. Shout out to my roommate Alex. I'm using her mirror right now. But yeah, that's what I look like today. Very exciting. Not really, but it's fine. These cute leggings are cute. They're from Costco and they have pockets. I need to get like 8 more pairs, but they're kind of expensive, so yeah. That's my outfit. Here's me. I am back from class and I had some lunch and some tuna and some Good Thins crackers because I'm on that health shit. But yeah, my class was fine. It was kind of weird because she does like online lectures and then like just does examples in class, but it was fine. And the girl next to me like didn't watch the lecture, so I was like sick. So we were both yeah. So we were both kind of lost, but it was chill. And, like, the whole time I was sitting in class, I was trying not to, like, clear my throat every 3 seconds. Like, I had a bottle of water, but, like, it wasn't really helping. So, like, I was just, like, it wasn't fun. I was, like, that annoying bitch. But, yeah, I don't have anything else for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna hopefully finish this worksheet that I didn't finish in class and chill and see what I have to do tomorrow and set up, like, all my notebooks and stuff. But, yeah, today's kind of boring, but I figured I'd vlog it since I have time. But, yeah, I'll probably vlog more later when there's people around, maybe. I don't know. I'll show you, maybe I'll do a cooking show. I'll show you my dinner. But, yeah. What is up, YouTube? I am in Marshall. No, I'm in TJ Maxx. I'm gonna go to Marshall's, but yeah. Here's me. My outfit doesn't really match, but my hair, it's okay. Like, it's fine. My hair's a little wackery now. My eyeshadow disintegrated. Like, actually, absolutely disintegrated. Like, it's gone. She's gone. But yeah. We just out here at TJ Maxx. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Walmart and hopefully they'll have my spin brush heads. Yeah, I had chili for dinner. It was A1, thanks to my BF. But yeah, I didn't film an outro and I look significantly worse today, but thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below. All my socials will be in the description box. And yeah, see you next time. Joe lowered a little.
Are you ready? You ready?
Yeah. It's so romantic in Paris. Wee 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 wee.